Today, we're using Chi Bleach and Shine to create the perfect honey blonde highlights. Chi Bleach and Shine delivers up to 9+ levels of lift, while nourishing, moisturizing, and protecting your hair. Our first formula: 30 grams of Chi Bleach and Shine, 45 grams of 30 volume Chi Color Generator, and 2 pumps of Royal Treatment Bond Rebuilder. We're now sectioning the hair from the crown to the ear. Starting in the back, we weave and back comb a 1/2 inch section. Lightener is applied to the foil to ensure it stays in place. Each section is misted with Bond and Seal to protect against breakage. Lightener is now applied to the section below the teasing. At the crown, we are weaving and back combing a 1-inch section. In the next section, we use a diagonal forward part above the ear for a natural blended look. The lightener is feathered near the tease. The process will be repeated over the other ear. For the money piece section, remove the baby hairs and apply lightener using a diagonal brush. For the remaining front quadrant, we're weaving a 1-inch section and back combing to the root. We continue with the same 1-inch sectioning and weave the remaining hair until the entire quadrant is complete. We're rinsing with warm water and cleansing and conditioning with Royal Treatment, Bond, and Repair Shampoo and Conditioner. Using the LG Chi Color Master Factory, we will create our toner formula: 15 grams of 10S, 60 grams of 9I, 3 shots of violet additive, 1 shot of blue additive, and 75 grams of 10 volume. Now, we're saturating the hair with our toner formula. We let the toner process for 10 to 15 minutes. After processing, we're rinsing with warm water and cleansing and conditioning with Royal Treatment, Blonde Enhancing Purple Shampoo and Conditioner. Now for the styling. We are creating loose body waves with the Chi Lava 1-inch curling iron. We're completing the look with Royal Treatment Ultimate Control and Rapid Shine Spray. Perfect honey blonde highlights with Chi Bleach and Shine.